Aku telah buat satu kesilapan yang besar, guys. Di video sebelum ni saya cakap Solana akan meletup, tapi tengok hari ni Ethereum sedang fly pula, dan Ethereum ecosystem pun sedang fly. Look at Shiba. Shiba is up 24% hari ini. Right, Shiba is up 24% hari ini. So the Ethereum ecosystem has been going up like crazy. Sebelum ni Ethereum dia slow sikit, right, dia relax sikit. Bitcoin naik tapi dia tak naik, right, but I think now Ethereum sedang catch up dengan Bitcoin. Right, we've been looking at the ETH BTC chart dan kita nampak we may have a potential bottom in for the ETH BTC chart. So I have a few trade ideas for you guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and a few trade ideas that I want to share with you guys. Sebelum tu, thank you very much kepada semua orang yang support channel ini. We just hit 10,000 subscribers, guys. 10,000 subscribers hari ini. Thank you very much to everyone who has been showing support, who has been liking, who has been commenting. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's get to the comments of the previous video. Let's see. Not a lot of comments yet. From Nastrio EMA 50 daily, perjalanan market minimum 50 candle. Yes, 50 hari trading. So EMA 50 daily maksudnya dia akan kira 50 candle daily. 4 hour also is alright, but I would prefer to use higher time frame like 4 hour or daily. I prefer daily lah in my opinion. Dalam keadaan market macam ni, I prefer daily, but that's just my opinion. You boleh juga guna di 4 hour time frame. Okay, so market overview hari ni kita masuk balik kepada extreme greed, dan ada satu benda yang menarik saya nak tunjuk dalam, I want to show to you guys. Somebody sent it in the group just now. Where is it? Alt season index. So coin market cap CMC alt season index. Let's search this up. Let's search this up, guys. Alt season index. Okay, saya sendiri pun belum buka ni, so we're going to be taking a look at it together for the first time right now. Okay, so the CMC alt season index provides real-time insight into whether the cryptocurrency market is currently in altcoin season based on performance of top 100 altcoins relative to Bitcoin over the past 90 days with detailed charts and metrics. So dia akan tengok top 100 altcoins, performance dia berbanding dengan Bitcoin dalam masa 90 hari, so 3 bulan. So right now, as of today, we are currently in alt season, guys. According to CoinMarketCap, 75%. Right, 75%. Last week, we were at 48. Last month, we were at 32. So we have moved up quite a lot and quite fast. Okay, we have moved up quite a lot and quite fast. The past 90 days, whoa, we are just entering alt season. We are just entering alt season. Apa garisan putih ni? Altcoin market cap. Oh, okay. Garisan putih altcoin market cap, garisan biru altcoin season index. So yes, we are just touching alt season. Kita baru hit 75. But however, this can be treated like an RSI. Right, dan bila dia masuk kepada kawasan atas ni, we may see a pullback. So aku bukan nak buat FUD ke apa. Yes, we should enjoy this alt season. We should take opportunities when we see them, but always keep it in the back of your mind. Jangan terlalu greedy. Okay, always remember that not everything will go up forever. Not everything will go down forever. So it works both ways. Okay, so always keep it in the back of your mind somewhere that you have to be realistic. Okay, and being realistic means you kena tengok dua arah. You need to know both sides of the spectrum. Right? If this is happening, what could happen after that? Right? So if this is happening right now, what could happen is that we may see a cool off, because I personally think that this is just the beginning of alt season. So like the RSI, biasanya RSI akan touch dulu overbought, dia cool down sikit, and then dia akan mula jadi lebih panas, dan di sini dia akan stay di kawasan overbought. So I think we're right here. We're just touching the heat. We're just starting to heat up. Kita baru sentuh alt season. So it's likely we may get a cool off for a while, and then once we really get into the middle of this this chart, kawasan biru ni, that's when things will really start to heat up. Maybe once we hit like 85, yeah, 85 and above, right, that's when things will start to go very, very crazy. For now, guys, I think we're just at the start, right? We're gonna look at the charts later and I'll show you, saya akan bagi tahu kenapa saya rasa kita masih at the start. Okay, look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, top 100 coins performance over 90 days. Most of it is meme coins, right? Peanut, Dodge, Bread, Pepe, Bonk. Yeah, a lot of meme coins in this list. Whoa. Bitcoin is all the way down here, 65% in the last 90 days. Okay, so most of the top gainers, quite equal, but wow, Peanut has been going crazy. Peanut, dia punya cerita sangat-sangat menarik lah actually. Very, very interesting story about Peanut. So that's just a bit of info on the CMC altcoin index. So apparently kita dah masuk kepada alt season. Okay, so another thing I want to bring up is that Bitcoin monthly returns quite mixed lah, quite mixed. So looking here, ada bulan merah, ada tahun di mana Disember merah, ada tahun di mana Disember hijau, right? And the average, yes, average about 5%. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Okay, ada merah, ada hijau, average about 7%. So overall, Bitcoin and Ethereum, based on history, don't really perform outstandingly well during December, but this could also be a good thing because mungkin dia memberi peluang kepada altcoins untuk terbang, right? When Bitcoin and Ethereum start to go sideways, especially terutamanya dalam keadaan market yang bullish macam ni, bila Bitcoin dan Ethereum mula pergi sideways, that's when the money starts to flow masuk kepada altcoins. Okay, so liquidation heat map Bitcoin, kita masih ada zone ni dekat 99, around 99 here, yang saya rasa geram lah. Why can't we go up and just sweep this zone, get into 100k, and then we can really see what happens when Bitcoin hits 100k. Sebab bagi saya dia masih it's still a wild card lah, right? It's still a wild card. We don't know how Bitcoin will react when it hits 100k, sebab kita belum hit 100k. Walaupun kita sangat-sangat dekat, kita belum hit 100k. So I want to see if we can hit 100k and maintain above it. Yang akan, kalau dapat maintain, it gives us it lets us know that Bitcoin is actually healthy lah. Dia is not overheating, right? It can maintain above 100k, it can grow steadily. Tapi kalau dia naik pop ke 100k and then junam balik, then we know that maybe there's something wrong. The market has overheated too fast and we may be in for a pullback. Okay, so that's why saya nak tengok macam mana dia react kepada 100k, because it's a real strong psychological level and a lot of people are waiting for this level. Alright, so other than that, I would say the other zone to keep an eye on is right down here, about 64 to 63. Not as much, about 150 million liquidations. Berbanding atas sini 271 million liquidations. So yes, keep an eye. If we do pull back, this could be a zone to look for a long trade. Alright, let's look at the charts. So Bitcoin monthly time frame, we have opened in the green, right? We have opened in the green, but still very, very early. We are in the green. It may just be a sideways candle. Sebab kita tengok average monthly returns about 5%. That means mungkin ini akan jadi doji candle, right? Dia tak berapa naik, dia tak berapa turun. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Kita tengok 1 hour. 1 hour di video sebelum ni saya bagi you guys this trade setup. From this support, this was a valid long position. So kalau you ambil trade ini, yes, you would be in profit. Lebih kurang 1-2% macam tu lah. It's alright, not bad. But I really want to see price break through this supply level, right? This resistance. Sebab bila kita dapat break resistance ini, macam saya cakap, ini akan menunjukkan bahawa price dalam sebuah uptrend yang kuat. Right, kita dapat buat higher high, and we saw the liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity building up here. So kalau kita masuk kepada zone ini, I think it will go up pretty smoothly, right? But maintaining above this level is another story lah. Kalau kita dapat maintain atas sini, that is even better. Okay, but for now, let's look at 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours still looking healthy. We made a nice rejection candlestick on the support plus touching the 50 EMA. Alright, so I think right now 4 hours we need to break this. We need to break through this structure lah in general. So I really want to see some volume follow up, right, and see continuously climb up and break the structure. So nothing much has changed. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, kita dah ambil long dari sini, kita dah ambil long dari sini. Ethereum, what's next? Where's the next roadblock? Saya buka chart baru. Where is the next roadblock? So the next roadblock, of course, we have some support, some resistance right here. Inilah zone yang mempunyai volume yang tinggi. Let's just draw this up right here. Yep, so this is a high volume zone. Can expect a bit of resistance in this area. Right, in this area right here, which we are currently looking at. Okay, so expect it to slow down a bit, maybe consolidate. But macam saya cakap, bila Ethereum atau Bitcoin, bila dia mula pump and then consolidate, ini akan memberi peluang kepada altcoin dalam ekosistem itu atau altcoins in general untuk catch up. Right, so pay attention to where these zones are. To me, for now, this is just a minor roadblock. The real challenge ialah ni, this previous structure of 4,000 lah, 4,000. Right, 4,000. We want to see it break above 4,000 and maintain. Sebab kalau dia boleh maintain atas ni, all time high tak jauh lagi. All time high 4,878. Tak jauh lagi guys. So kalau kita boleh maintain sini and continue up, this is when I think things start to go crazy. Right, bila Bitcoin, bila Ethereum break all time high, things will start to go crazy. Right, Solana pun dah break all time high. Right, dia dah sentuh all time high baru. Okay, but Ethereum not yet. So once Ethereum and Solana are in all time high, are in price discovery maksud dia tak ada resistance dekat atas. Right, dia tak ada resistance. Okay, bila dia break all time high, there's nothing stopping it. So it's currently discovering what is the new price di mana buyer dan seller setuju kepada harga, where they discover a price that is suitable for the market lah. Right, that is price discovery. Okay, so let's take a look at Solana. Jap, let's see. Do we have any trades for Ethereum? Any trades for Ethereum? Saya sekarang berada di 1 hour time frame. Right now we're entering into a resistance zone, so I would not long unless they break dari sini. Kalau dia break sini, then you could look for long until this next resistance level. Right, if you really wanted to, you could enter long something like this, but ini kira not something I would trade sebab you would be buying high into resistance. Right, so for me, I would prefer to see a pullback. Right, pullback to where? Pullback possibly to clear out liquidity here. Right, we have liquidity here. Okay, pullback ke sini. Something like this. Atau pullback ke the leg that created this pump. So dalam leg ini we can look for supply or demand zone, maybe around here, and this could also be an area to take a long trade from. Okay, so if I were to look for trades, yes, I would see if we get a pullback first, unless kalau kita tak dapat pullback dan kita terus break out, the breakout structure ini, we break out here, then this would be a breakout trade that you could enter. Sekejap, saya susun ni dulu. So something like this. Right, the breakout structure ni, you wait for a pullback, get some Fibonacci, and you can enter targeting the structural high right here. So this could be a potential setup to look at for Ethereum. I decided to skip Bitcoin. Bitcoin for now, I wouldn't trade any setup sebab kita dah bounce dekat support sini. So biar dia jalan lah, biar dia jalan ke atas. Okay, Let's take a look at Solana, guys. Solana. So Solana, I completely forgot when I gave this trade, maybe 27th November. But it respected the support quite nicely. Right, respected support quite nicely. Tapi dia belum berjaya masuk kepada range atas ni. Right, sekarang dia masih bermain di sini. This was the previous range. We talked about auction market theory, di mana price akan mencari previous range untuk bergerak. So sekarang dia sedang bergerak dalam sini. Dan support and resistance ini jadi level penting untuk monitor. Sebab kalau kita break ke bawah support ini dan tak dapat maintain, then we could continue to the bottom of this previous range, which is here, about 196. Tapi kalau kita dapat break ke atas dan maintain sini, then kita dalam zone ini balik. Right, we are in this zone and we could rotate back up to the top of this range, which is the all-time high territory. And I think there's definitely a lot of liquidity sitting up here. Right, definitely a lot of liquidity sitting up here. So if we can break up here, this would be a good long trade to take. Trade the breakout above and look for a new all-time high, something like this. Right, dari sini pun, where we are currently sitting, sekarang kita di pertengahan jalan lah, so saya tak berapa suka. Let me take out this. Let me see where the volume is sitting. Yeah, so kita sekarang berada di pertengahan jalan, so I would not enter a trade unless kalau betul-betul nak enter trade, this would be a possible long position. Okay, this is stop loss below this low, right, where we are considering this as a sweep of the previous low of this structure here, and we want to see price break above the 50 EMA dan sambung ke atas resistance sini. Dan kalau kita nampak price dapat break resistance macam saya cakap tadi, then we could continue all the way up. So if you are taking this, you would try to aim at least until this resistance. Kalau dia berjaya break, then we are looking at all-time highs. So a pretty decent risk to reward ratio, but first TP would be in this resistance somewhere. So this is a potential trade setup untuk Solana. Okay, actually bila saya tengok sekarang macam not bad juga. The risk to reward pun not bad. Dua nisbah 1. Okay, so that's just a few things I want to show you guys for the 3 major coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. Dan I have something very, very exciting to talk to you guys about meme coins. So sekarang Ethereum sudah breakout. So what are the potential coins to keep an eye on? Untuk Ethereum ecosystem ada 2 coin yang saya sedang tengok. Yang pertama ialah sebuah meme coin, which is Turbo. Sorry, ada 3 coin. Yang pertama ialah Turbo, which is a meme coin. Yang kedua ialah Wormhole, W. Right, I think this is quite undervalued because it's a pretty good project. Right, it's a pretty good project. So I shared these setups in the academy. Right, so this is for Turbo USDT. This is 1 day time frame, ya guys. Dia dah buat deviation to the lows. Right, and we're looking at it to claim support here and continue up to make a new high. So this is a setup. You guys can screenshot it. Make sure you guys tengok time frame yang sama, ya. Make sure you guys tengok time frame yang sama, 1 day. Okay, so this is a potential setup that you guys can copy. Okay, ini untuk W pula. So W, again, we were just breaking out of this key resistance level. Okay, so quite a risky trade sebab kita sedang buy into support. But usually what you would want to wait for ialah, sekejap saya buka trading view. So WUSDT, where did I chart that? Perpetual. Sekejap, ni. Okay. So ideally you can buy bila price buat breakout, atau you boleh buy bila price buat breakout and then dia retest support ini, or resistance become support. Bila dia retest sini, you guys boleh cari sebuah buy position, right? So ada dua cara you can trade this. Either you buy the breakout or you buy the retest. Okay, so this is WUSDT. Ini pun ialah sebuah trade yang besar. Ini pun ialah daily time frame. Okay, ada satu lagi benda yang saya nak tunjuk kepada you guys. Satu lagi. Let me just open this. Okay, take a look at this chart. Alright, look at this chart. Nampak macam coin baru kan, yang ada potensi. Right, it looks like a new coin yang ada potensi. Tapi ini sebenarnya ialah chart Pepe USD di Coinbase. So Pepe baru saja launch di Coinbase dan di Robinhood dan juga di apa nama exchange tu? The Korean Exchange. Right, sebuah exchange di Korea. So ini bermaksud Pepe sekarang telah membuka akses kepada capital di seluruh dunia. Right, we have the maximum access of capital to flow into Pepe. Sebelum ini dia tersekat sikit sebab dia tak ada listing di Coinbase, dia tak ada listing di Robinhood, tak ada listing di Korea. Tapi meme lain seperti Doge dan Shiba ada. Right, that's why they can continue to grow as fast as they were growing. Tapi walaupun Pepe punya capital access tersekat, dia masih boleh lawan dengan altcoin yang meme coin yang besar ini, iaitu Doge dan Shiba. So now that this floodgate has been opened, I'm expecting a lot of new retail money to flow into Pepe through Coinbase, through Robinhood, through Korean money. Okay, so look at this chart. Right, this is the chart of Pepe USD on Coinbase. Dia belum buat high, dia belum buat all time high baru pun. So Pepe is also in the Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, jangan lupa Pepe pun ialah meme coin dalam Ethereum ecosystem. Right, let's look at the chart for Pepe. Oh, so tadi saya bagi ni. Get ready. Okay, and look at what Pepe just did. Boop, dia sedang fly. Okay, Pepe sedang fly. Right, so whenever you see a crypto, a leader lah, macam Ethereum, macam Solana, when you see them pump, you kena cari what is the top meme coin in that ecosystem. Right, sebab dia akan ikut pump juga. And Pepe is the top meme coin in the Ethereum ecosystem. Dia baru break dari trend line ini. Right, dia baru break dari trend line ini. So we're looking at it to make a new all-time high. Guys, don't sleep on Pepe. Pepe masih top pick saya ya. Top pick saya untuk bull run ini. Alright. So itu saja untuk video kali ini. I hope you guys got some insight. Saya nak ucapkan terima kasih lagi sekali kepada semua orang yang telah memberi support kepada channel ini. Guys, I really appreciate it. Jangan lupa komen di bawah, like video ini dan follow or subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Jangan lupa, kalau belum ada account Bybit, you guys boleh tekan link di bawah, buka account Bybit dan join the Kyzen Crypto Academy di mana saya share lebih banyak knowledge, insight, trade ideas dan sebagainya. So this is the Kyzen Crypto Academy. We have 1,500 members and growing extremely fast. Okay, growing extremely fast. Right, so make sure you guys check out the links below. See you in the next video.